Hi, I'm Joe from the Winona Area Humane Society. My little buddy here is Dakota. He came to us as a stray from the Utica area, and we're pretty sure he was probably in a puppy mill. As you can see, he's freshly shaved because he had so many mats that all of his hair came off in one big chunk. He is neutered now, and he's a male between 2 and 3 years old. He's very fun, very playful, and he's very affectionate. But he is a little touch sensitive at times, and he's getting better with that. If you'd be interested in adopting or meeting Dakota, please give us a call at 452-3135 or visit our website, winonahumanesociety.org.